Hello and welcome everybody. Let us go ahead and chat about the Hacktivists. Now this group really stands out. They do not just stand out for the skills that they have, but also for their motives. They are not ordinary hackers, but they are individuals armed with tech skills and driven by a mission to make political or social statements. Hacktivists. These individuals use their hacking abilities to promote political or social causes, and that's exactly what differentiates themselves from other types of hackers. This clearly means that they do not hack for money. They do not hack for profit. They hack for a change. These guys really want to send a message, or they want to highlight issues that they care about. They have different methods, so hacktivists might take over a website to leave a message. Sometimes they expose confidential information to shed light on corruption, or sometimes they disrupt services to protest. Their actions are aimed at drawing attention to their cause. Consider Operation Payback, which was nothing but a series of attacks in the year 2010. It was done by a group called as Anonymous against organizations that are against internet privacy. That means Anonymous was completely against anti-piracy organizations. So they sent waves of traffic to shut down the websites. They sent so much internet traffic, bombarded them with packets and packets of data that created a blockade on the internet. I'm talking about DDoS attack, which is distributed denial of service. Operation Payback made a bold statement against internet censorship. Then came 2016 Panama Papers leak. This was monumental exposure of financial secrecy by, again, anonymous source. Millions of documents were public, unveiling global corruption and sparking worldwide debates on ethics and piracy. The ripple effect of all of this is massive. Hacktivists can shift the public disclosure, challenge norms, and even influence policy. But here's the kicker. The hacktivists walk on a razor's edge between activism and illegality. This clearly means that the hacktivists can influence public opinion and bring attention to important issues. Their methods are controversial. They operate in a gray area where activism can sometimes cross an illegal territory as well. Hacktivism raises important questions. When does breaking into digital systems for a cause become a crime? Now, where do we draw the line between free speech and illegal activities? And we see that here a digital protest is turning into a cybercrime. And this is $1 million question as the world really grapples with ethics and laws of today's digital age. Today we are living on information highways. It's vital to understand the power and pitfalls of hacktivism, and it's all about being informed. Ask for tough questions and navigate the complex maze of digital rights and digital wrongs. A lot of questions popping up on your mind, and I would leave this as a food for thought. Until then, stay sharp, stay curious, stay informed, and be aware of the multifaceted nature of the digital activism and cybersecurity. Thank you.